Hello and welcome back to my workshop. Today I'm going to be building a small coffee/drinks table to go on the patio, and I'm going to be making it out of rough pallet wood. I haven't got any plans or anything like that. I'm just going to be making it up as I go along, so let's see how we get on. If you've got time to like the video, I'd really appreciate that. And if you've got time to subscribe to the channel, that would be even better. The numbers are going up slowly, and it really helps the YouTube algorithm to decide whether the videos are worth showing to people or not. So I'd really appreciate a thumbs up and a subscribe if you've got time. And in the meantime, stay safe.